Hey there, Casey. I'm at TaxSaleAcademy.com 500. This is the 500th video on my YouTube channel about tax sale investing. And I wanted to take a moment in this specific video to really sit back and thank you guys. Thank you for allowing me the opportunity to teach you how to successfully invest in tax shelter real estate. Thank you for allowing me the opportunity to serve each and every one of you. Thank you to every single person who has watched a video, who has clicked that thumbs up or that like button. Thank you to every single subscriber, every single person who has sent me an email, left a comment, left a question, everybody that's gone to TaxSaleAcademy.com. Thank you to every person who has picked up Tax Sale Playbook. And a special thank you to every single person who has joined the Tax Sale Academy and who has gone through the Academy only to see success in their tax sale lives. Guys, thank you for the opportunity to serve each and every one of you. When I got into this business 16 plus years ago, and I walked into that first auction as a very naive 18-year-old, I never in my wildest dreams envisioned that it would blossom into this, where I've taught thousands of students how to successfully invest in tax defaulted real estate. It has been an absolute honor, guys. It is such a humbling experience and such a fulfilling experience in my own life, and I thank you for that opportunity. Guys, if you ever had any questions whatsoever, feel free to leave them below any video that you have a question on, or send me a DM, send me an email, go to my website. Any way I can help you in your tax sale business, I am here for you guys, and I cannot wait to make the next 500 videos on tax sale investing as well, guys. Again, thank you for everything that you do. Thank you for allowing me the opportunity to serve you, and thank you for sharing my content and learning from me. Have a great day, folks. Bye-bye.